Welcome to Green Mountain by Lennar, a stunning new master plan community located in Camas, Washington. When you call Camas home, you'll appreciate a unique fusion of small-town charm and desirable amenities framed in a picturesque landscape. Lennar's Green Mountain is conveniently located near fantastic shopping and beloved area restaurants where you can enjoy some authentic barbecue and explore local and fresh craft brews. Plus, you'll have access to an incredible range of amenities, including a recreation center, swimming pool, acres of parks, walking trails, basketball and volleyball courts, a picnic shelter, and much more. Located close to the scenic Lennar Homes community, you'll find Camas Lake Regional Park with a 6-mile network of biking, running, and hiking trails. With picnic areas, playgrounds, fishing, and more, the lake offers ample opportunities to enjoy the outdoors. Situated within the Evergreen School District, residents enjoy a top-notch education with active community support and highly rated schools, as well as many great options for continuing education. Your family will also benefit from abundant recreational sports, extracurricular activities, and fun outings for the whole family, all located conveniently nearby. Endless adventure awaits, from experiencing Oregon's famous wine country or strolling along the majestic Oregon coast to exploring Mount Hood or hiking in the historic Columbia River Gorge. And you'll find easy access to the greater Portland metro area where you can discover all the culture the city has to offer. A myriad of nearby employers make for an easy commute, with many high-tech companies as well as a variety of respected organizations headquartered nearby. After work, come home and relax in your new Lennar home, where everything's included. You'll appreciate having gorgeous features and upgrades like stainless steel appliances, beautiful kitchen cabinetry, granite countertops, and more. And with open concept floor plans, home automation technology, and the world's first Wi-Fi certified home design, staying connected has never been easier. With an emphasis on family and education, abundant recreational activities, great shopping and entertainment, and much more, Green Mountain by Lennar is a wonderful place to live.